Hey guys, today I'll be opening up, try to do 8 booster packs, 4 Roaring Skies and 4 Evolutions. Start off the Roaring Skies. I'll give you the code cards at the end of the video. So we have Gallade, Spiriting, Skyfield, and Jask. Upside down Halo, Electrike, Bagon, Piddoff, Nincada, Tropius, and Swellow. Next pack. One, two, three. So we got a Switch, Magmar, Evolution Spray, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Professor Oak's Hand, and our rare is a Venusaur EX. Pretty cool card. Next pack. Got Electrode, Dragonair, Steven, Cascoon, Meowth, Natu, Pikachu, Bagon Verse. Oh, sweet. Versus Seeker. That's a Seeker rare. Man, this Roaring Sky box was good. I pulled both Shamans. Now this. So next pack. We got Full Heal. Machoke, Machop, Doduo, Weedle, Staryu, Onyx, Ninetales, that's a rare, and a Beedrill. So next pack. We got the stocks. Turbo Energy, Latio, Spiriling, Swablu, Voltorb, Togepi, Shuppet, Spearow, Fletchling, Clefairy. So next pack. Three. Got Pokedex, Porygon, Pidgeot, Tangela, Charmander, Magnemite, Water Energy, Growlithe, Drowsy. Yes, and a full art Dragonite EX. So next pack. Got Silcoon, Gliscor, Wingull, Swablu, Shuppet, Fletchling, Togepi, Pheasant, and Togekiss. So final pack for today. Got this Trainer Switch, Blastoise Spirit Link, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Energy, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Onix, and a Holo Hitmonchan. So I'll summarize. So we got this cool Hitmonchan Holo, this awesome Dragonite, versus Secret Rare, and the Venusaur. So guys, thanks for watching. Till next video.